Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to disable friend request in 8-ball pool. To disable friend request in 8-ball pool, open up the 8-ball pool application on your device. Make sure that you're inside this main home section, and once you're in, tap on the gear button at the bottom left corner. This will bring up the settings menu where you need to scroll down until you find the Allow Add as a Friend option. Simply select No One from the menu and you will be able to disable friend requests in 8-ball pool. Now no one will be able to allow you as a friend. That is how you can easily disable friend request in 8-ball pool. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.